So this is an update to the vlogging in public challenge that a lot of people probably don't even know exists. And if you're like, what? Yeah, you can actually win a Hero 11. This is a chance to win a Hero 11 thanks to Telesin. They contacted me. They're like, hey, we want to give away a Hero 11 on your channel. Can we do a challenge? And so we're doing the vlogging in public challenge. You can click that button up there and watch the original announcement. But this is a warning to let you know that we only have 3 weeks left from now. 3 weeks left from when I posted this video. And I also want to answer a couple of questions that you might be having. There's some people asking, can they post it in their original language? And I said, yes, you can, as long as you put some subtitles at the bottom so we know what you're saying. The other thing is, can you have stops and cuts in your video? And yes, you can, just like that. As long as you make it fluid, keep your conversation going, you can have cuts. You can even be in a completely different location as long as you be a little bit creative with it if you're going to do cuts. The other question is, can it be over 3 minutes? And the answer is, I mean, yeah, if it's like 3:15, I'm not gonna like disqualify you. If it's just a little bit over, that's fine. But it has to be more than 2 minutes, and try to make it less than 3 minutes, because we're gonna be watching these and voting on them, and that's gonna take a long time if we have a lot of submissions. Hopefully it's not too windy. Right now I'm filming on the Hero 11 with the wind slayer on and wind reduction off. But yeah, as you can see, I'm on a beach and it's pretty windy up here. But that brings me to the next question is, what if you don't have a high quality camera, and what if you don't have fancy equipment to shoot this on? That's completely fine as well, because it doesn't matter necessarily about the quality. I mean, try a little bit. Really what I'm looking for is being somewhere very public so that there's people making faces in the background, and it's probably gonna be very embarrassing for you to do it. But the whole point of this is to get over that fear. Walk with confidence. Just who cares about everybody else? Just talk to your audience right there. We have submissions coming in from all over the world. This is gonna be really cool. So far, some of the submissions are just fun. Like, that's the whole thing, it's really fun. And there's more prizes than just the Hero 11. And this is a big thanks to Telesin again. Honestly, I don't really get anything from this. This is just for you viewers there, because they like this channel so much. And a big thank you to you and to them. And last but not least, which is probably the first thing I should have said, is that if you do want updates, please sign up for the mailing list. I know mailing lists, I want to roll my eyes when people ask for that. And honestly, I don't even want to be doing this, but it really makes it so much easier for me to just contact you saying, hey, you have 1 week left, or just saying who won, or if we have future giveaways or future challenges, I can let you know that that's happening. So make sure you sign up for that. I'll put the link down in the description, plus a surprise link, and also put it in the pinned comment so you can find it down there. All right, looking forward to this fun challenge. And I think my 3 minutes are up. Hopefully it's not too much longer. Otherwise, I'm disqualified. See you next time.
Mr. Black.